See here. So children, see here. So we'll revise one triangles exercise. Triangles 6.2. We'll discuss about all similarities, children. First question. See here. There's a question like this, children. Please see here. Children, this is A, this is C, this is B, children, and given what is given means they have given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to prove, required proof I'm showing children, we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. This is first one. Second one, they said that AD is 3.8, AE is 3.6, BE is 2.1, BC is 4.2, find the DE. This is the question. This is the question. See. Okay, children. So, in this triangle and big triangle, what is 1 second, children? What is this mean? This is ADE, children. Okay. In ADE and ABC. In triangle ADE and ABC, A is
common angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by
angle A is equal to
similarity.
A common angle. Angle A is equal to A common angle. And in small triangle angle 1, in big triangle angle 2
Angle.
is given. They are equal, they are given. So by AA similarity, by AA similarity, by AA similarity, ADE is similar to ABC. 1 second, children. ADE is similar to ABC. Because angle A is equal to angle A, angle B is equal to angle B, angle D is equal to angle B, and E and K set. Now let's write CP, CPST, CPST. What is CPST, children?
AB by
AD by
AD
AB
by AB.
is equal to DE by
DE
BC.
by
DE by BC. DE by BC. Yeah, DE by BC.
is
AE by
equal
KC.
to AE by AC.
AE by AC. Okay, children, now AD is 3.8, children. You see here, AD is 3.8. AB is not given. They are asking DE, children. Okay, and AE is 3.6, children. Please check, children. And AB is not given. BC is how much, children? BC is 4.2. AC is not given, much. AC. AE by AC. AD by AB. AD by AB. AB is also not given, much. A, okay, let's write here, children. This is 3.6 and AD is 3.8. BE is 2.1. Okay, children, BE is 2.1 means what is AB, children? What is AB? 5.7.
5.7.
5.7. So, children, this is 5.7. So now we have to find out, children. Okay, and so cross multiplication, children. If you do cross multiplication of CPST, 3.8 into 4.2 is equal to 5.7 into DE. Okay, children. So what we can write, children? DE is equal to 3.8 into 4.2 by 5.7. Children, solve it. You will get answer like that. So when you are how much?
2.8.
2.8, children. So when you are writing CPST, be careful, children. However, ADE is similar to ABC means, children. Compulsory you should follow this pattern, children. There should be a lot of meaning. Means angle A is equal to angle A, angle D is equal to angle B, angle E is equal to angle C. There should be meaning. Simply, I can't write ADE is similar to BAC. You can't write like that. Whatever you want, you can't write like that, children. You have to write similar angles. From that only similar sides will come. AD by AB, DE by BC, AE by AC. You can't write like however you want, children. You have to follow a procedure, children. Okay, so this is first sum, children. I hope you are copying, children. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Okay, and after doing the sums, once you practice, children, on the second question. Second question, children. The perimeter of two triangles are 30 and 20. The perimeters of two triangles are A, B, C, D, E, F. The perimeters of two triangles are 30 and 20, children. 30 and 20. If one of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, what is the corresponding side of the other? Children, actually, this syllabus is divided by children. In 10th class, we used to have third exercise, children. Area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to, areas are in the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Okay, this is one theorem, children. Actually, it was deleted for this year, children, for you. But areas are always in the ratio. If they are similar, areas are in the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of corresponding sides. That is areas. If areas are in the ratio of their squares, perimeters are in the ratio of just their corresponding sides. Perimeters are in the ratio of just their corresponding sides. No need of square, children. No need of square. Because half into base into height, no, base and height won't count. Any one will count. So, children, perimeter is one is 30, other one is
30 by
20,
20
one
is
is
equal to
12.
12 by x.
That's right. If areas they give, square you should take. If perimeters they give, you should not take square. Okay, so if you cross multiply, children, dE is equal to 12 into 20 by 30. This gone 3 4s are 8 centimeters is the answer. Like that you have to do. I hope you are able to understand, children. So this is the second sum. So perimeters are in the ratio of their corresponding sides. Perimeters are ratio of their corresponding sides. Areas are in the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Areas are in the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. If what is the condition? They should be
Similar triangles.
if they are similar triangles only, we can put this condition. If not, we can't put this condition, children. Okay, next term. A girl of height 19 centimeters. Children, the girl is there of height 19 centimeters, is walking away from the base of a lamp post. Okay, children, this is the lamp post, children. This is the lamp post. She, girl of 90 centimeters, is walking away from the base of lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. Okay, and the lamp post is 3.6 meters long above the ground. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. Initially, girl is here. She started moving like this. Okay, so because she is moving like this, compulsory because of this lamp post, the girl's shadow will fall here. What is the length of her shadow? This is the question. Okay, we know distance is equal to speed
into time.
Distance is equal to 1.2
1.2 into 4.
4.
So
4.8.
in 4 seconds, this girl has traveled 4.8 meters. In 4 seconds, this girl has traveled from here to here 4.8 meters. 90 centimeters means 0.9 meters.
9 meters.
This is 3.6, this is 0.9, this is 1.2, this you have to find out. Okay, children, this is common angle. This time, this are 90 degrees because they are standing perpendicular to the ground. So the small triangle is similar to big triangle. Those who did not understand, again I am saying, please listen. Those who did not understand, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to angle A.
Common angle.
Common angle. Angle B is equal to angle B
90 degrees.
by AA.
ADE is similar to ABC.
AD is similar to ABC. CPST.
AD by AB
AB
is
is
equals to DE by
DE
BC.
by BC.
AD by AB is equal to
DE by BC.
DE by BC. DE by BC. Enough, children. Third one is not needed. So AD is how much, children? AD. This
X.
we have to find out. AB is how much, children?
4.8.
Hey.
X plus
4.8 x plus x. This is 0.9. This is 3.6. Okay, children? You are not able to see. Okay. So, children, this is 4 times. Children. This is 4 times. This goes up. So, what happens, children? 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x. This goes here. 3x is equal to 4.8. X is equal to 1.6 meters is length of our shadow. Is length of our shadow. 1.6 meters is the length of our shadow. Okay, children. Initially, she was here. She walking and came to here. Because she came here, compulsory her shadow will fall on the ground. This is by geometry method. This we can do by trigonometry method also, children. Do you know this how to do by trigonometry method? Okay, this we can do by trigonometry method also, children. Do you want me to show by trigonometry method?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, children. How to do in trigonometry method means Tan theta for small triangle. Anyone? Tan theta for small triangle.
0.9 by
0.9 by
9
x.
by x.
Tan theta for big triangle.
3.6
3.6
by
By x
4.8.
plus 4.6.
4.8 plus x.
Both tan theta are
equal.
So equal to RHS.
0.9 by x is equal to 3.6 by 4.8 plus x. Solve it, you will get the same answer. This is by trigonometry dimension. Is it okay, children, for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is by trigonometry dimension. Okay, one more section. One more section. This is good summary, children, in fact. Fourth question. CM and RN are respectively the medians. Children, there are two triangles here. CM, RN. Children, given what? CM and RN are medians. CM and RN are medians. Okay, children. CM and RN are medians of ABC and PQR. Children, PQR. Required to prove I'm writing here, children. We have to prove that AMC is similar to PQPN now. First question. And second one is CM by PRN is equal to AB by PQ. And third one, we have to prove that CMB is similar to R and Q. CMB is similar to R and Q. We have to prove it. Okay, children, shall we do? So, children, here, 1 second, children, they have given the question. CM and R are millions of ABC and PQR. That's all, children. Children, actually, they did not give one question. They should say they are similar triangles.
Similar.
If they are not similar triangles, we can't do the sum, children. Question is half given, children. They are similar triangles, children. I'm sorry, I'm not manipulating, children. They have to give that. A, B, C, and P, Q are similar triangles. Now, first proof, children. I'm showing you the first proof. First proof, children. See here also. Let us take this small triangle and this small triangle, children. This small triangle, AMC. First one is AMC and PNR. Children, in AMC and PNR.
Angle A is equal to angle P.
Okay, children, normally, okay, as ABC is similar to PQR, as ABC is similar to PQR, tell me corresponding sides, children, corresponding sides.
AB by
AB
CA by RB, CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. AB by PQ. Okay, children, CA by RP is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, children, CA by RP. Okay, children, and see here, CA by RP, don't do anything, children, no problem. I can write AB by 2, I can write PQ by 2, I can write. Can anyone say why I can write by 2 by 2?
because medians. Sir. CM and RN are medians.
CM and RN are medians. He only told, children. He only told. Because they are medians, they divide base into 2 equal halves. Medians divide base into 2 equal halves. Median divides base into 2 equal halves. So CA by RP is equal to
AM by PN.
AM by PN. AM by PN.
Angle A is equal to
Angle A is equal to angle P. Why? Because they are similar.
Similar.
Triangles. Angle A is equal to angle P because they are similar triangles. By yes, A, yes. By SA similarity, what we can say, children? A, B, C is similar to, sorry, AMC. AMC is similar to AMC. AMC is similar to
PNR.
AMC is similar to PNR. Now CPST. AM by PN. AM by PN. MC by NR. MC by NR. AC by PR. AC by PR. They want CM by RN. CM by RN. CM by RN. AB by PQ. They want AB by PQ. They want CM by NR is equal to AB by PQ, children. So, children, this is okay now for you all. Now I will modify this only, you see, children. I will modify and I will write, children. Second proof, children, I am showing here. All of you please see here, children. CM by NR. CM by NR is equal to, just see here, children. AM by PN we have. Can multiply 2 with and 2, children? Can I multiply up and down with 2?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why I can multiply? Because CM and RN are
Median.
Medians.
So CM by NR is equal to 2 times of AM is what? A.
AB.
2 times of PM is what?
PQ.
PQ. Hence prove. That's all, children. In the same way, we can prove this triangle is also similar. Same procedure. Same procedure. We can prove that also as similar. Anyway, children, we are doing some more. Let's prove that also, so that you will be confident, and those who did not understand at least they will listen here. So, children, because ABC is similar to PQ, are same procedure. What is the same procedure? CB is equal to PQ. CB by PQ is equal to CB by PQ is equal to BA by QB. BA by QB. Okay, CB by children. CB by PQ. CB by PQ is equal
BA
to
by 2 by PQ by 2.
BA by 2 by PQ by 2. Why BA by 2, PQ by 2? AM and CN are
Medians.
CM and PN are median. So CB by PQ by BA by 2 we can write as MBM
MB.
or MB or BM. Okay, and this we can write as
NQ.
NQ. And angle B is equal to
Sir, NQ, sir.
NQ. NQ, no? NQ, sorry. NQ. And children, angle B is equal to angle Q. Why, children? Because they are similar angles. By S, A, S. By SAS, what we can say? We can say same thing, children. CMB. Similar to PMQ. CMB is similar to PMQ. If ever you are interested in writing CPSD, they did not ask, but just I'm saying CM by PM. MB by
Sir,
NQ.
R and Q, sir.
What now?
It's R and Q, sir, not P and Q.
PMQ, CMB is equal.
R and Q.
This is R, huh?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Then everything we teach PQ, right?
No, sir, no, sir.
CMB by
Last
R.
step only you wrote wrong P, sir.
CB is equal to R. Yeah. So NQ by NQ, NQ by NQ, and CB by R. CB by R. Try to understand, children, what we are doing. This is your textbook sum only. You should know what you are doing, children, whenever you are doing the sum. You should know what you are doing, children. I do by 2 because CM and RN are medians. What are medians? Medians divide the base into 2 equal halves. Medians divide the base into 2 equal halves. Median divides the base into 2 equal halves. You should know that, children. Next one. There is a trapezium. A, B, C, D, and these diagonals are their diagonals are intersecting at O, and AB is parallel, children. Using the criteria of similarity, using children, yesterday also we did this sum, children, but today using similarity we have to prove that OA by OC is equal to OB by OD. Yesterday how we did, we have constructed like this. But today, without construction, we should do without construction. Since they are parallel, since it is a trapezium, these both are parallel. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Alternate interior angles of AB parallel to CD. In trapezium, opposite sides are parallel. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why?
Alternate interior angles
of same AB parallel to CD, same children, and angle O is called angle O by AA similarity. By AA similarity, AOB is similar to
COD.
COD. Don't write DOC. Some people will write DOC. COD. Why means this angle and this angle are equal. A was equal to O was equal to O. B was equal to D. You should know, children, when you are writing COD. Okay. AOB is similar to COD. Now we can appreciate CPSP, children. What is CPSP? OA by OC. OB by OD. OB by OD. Yesterday something we have even rearranged. We have OA by OB is called OC by OD. But today they have this much only. So children, when I am saying AOB, COD should come, children. Why it is coming like that? Because A was equal to C. You should be careful, children. OA by OC will come. OB by OD will come. AB by CD will come. When you are writing similarities, be careful. Next. Yesterday also we did this some children, those who did not understand, at least try to listen today, children. Yesterday also we did this some children. Do you remember, children? Yesterday, so children here they are giving this as x, this as z, this as y, and required to prove is we have to find out that we have to prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. Yesterday also I told this some children. Do you remember? Again I'm saying, children, those who did not understand, you can see. This is A I'm writing, this is B I'm writing, this all are 90 degrees children, and the whole distance I'm writing as P. For some time, forget that Y is not there. For some time, this is also not there. For some time, you imagine it. So this angle is common angle for small triangle and big triangle. This is 90, this is 90. Small triangle is equal to big triangle. Small triangle is equal to big triangle. So what we can write? B by P. B by P is equal to
Z by X.
Z by X. Okay, now you see, children. For some time, forget this triangle is not there and this is not there. The small triangle is similar to this big triangle. What we can write?
A by B is equal to
It's equal to
Z
Z
by Y.
by Y.
Z by Y. Okay, children. Right. Now, children, what is B, children? P Z by X. What is A, children?
PZ by Y.
P Z by whatever A, B, P which I wrote should not be their final answer. Whatever I did should not be their final answer. What is P, children? A plus B.
A plus B.
P is equal to what is A but PZ by Y.
PZ by Y.
And what is B, children?
PZ by X.
P cancel, children. 1 is equal to Z by Y plus Z by X. Z go down, children. 1 by Z is equal to 1 by Y plus 1 by X. That's it. Simple sum, children. This small triangle was similar to big triangle. This small triangle was similar to big triangle. One is common angle, other one is 90 degrees. One is common angle, other one is 90 degrees. Like the issue, children. Hope you are able to understand, children. One more question. A flagpole 4 meter tall. This is a flagpole 4 meter tall. Casts a shadow of 6 meters. This is casting a shadow of 6 meters. A flagpole is casting a shadow of 6 meters. At the same time, a nearby building is there. There is a building. At the same time, there is a building. Okay, this building at the same time, at the same time, building casts a shadow of 24 meters. What is the height of the building? This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. Sun's angle at a given time will be equal. Sun's angle at a given time will be equal. Sun's angle at a given time will be equal. By area, they both are similar. By area, they both are similar. So by CTSP, what we can write 4 by
X is equals to 6 by 24.
6 by 24. So
1 by 4, 8.
16 meters is the height of the building. Geometry. Trigonometry. What is tan theta here? 4 by 6.
4 by 6.
What is tan theta here?
X by 24.
4 equal to 16 meters. Anyway, this here tan theta will be equal because at a given time some altitude will be equal. At a given time some angle of elevation will be equal. At a given time he said at a given particular time he said that's why we have to take C9. This is geometry method, this is trigonometry. Okay, sure. So children, what they have given means CD and GH are bisectors of ACB. CD and GH are angle bisectors. Angle bisectors of CD and GH are the angle bisectors of angle ACB. Angle ACB, angle EGF. Angle EGF. Okay, children. So first required proofs I'm writing here. Children, required proofs such that bisectors of AB. And children, he said that they both are similar. Children. They said they are both are similar. Then show that first one. First we have to prove CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. First proof. Second proof, we have to show that DCB is similar to HGG. DCB is similar to HGE. Third proof, we have to show that DCA is similar to HGF. Okay, children, like this. Okay, children, first proof, children. So, children, they said they are similar triangles, children, and their angle bisectors are given, children. Children, as they are similar. As they are similar. Children, first one, DCB is similar to HGB. DCB is similar to HGB with this small triangles, children. As they are similar, what we can write, children? BC is equal to BC is equal to EG, and it is a proportional, I'm sorry. BC is proportional to EG, and AC is proportional to
GF.
Yes, children, AC was proportional to
FG.
One second, no. As they are similar, children, let's take the small triangles, children. What are the small triangles we have? BDC. What are to prove this one, children? To prove this one. If you prove this one, you can write CPS. In DCB and HGB, angle B is equal to angle E. Can anyone say why?
Similar triangles.
Because they are first only said they are similar triangles. Angle C is equal to angle G. Why, children?
Similar.
Similar triangles. 2x is equal to 2y. Why, children? Because
Angle bisectors.
CD and GH are angle bisectors. X is equal to y. Why, children? 2
2
to
to cancel.
So by
ASA.
By AA, just the AA, angle similarity, we can say that DCB is similar to HGE. CPS. DC by HG, CB by GE is equal to DV by HE. DV by HE. Okay, children. CB by GH, CB by GH is equal to AC by FG. AC by FG means what, children? AC by FG. Okay, that will come after proving these both, children. We have to prove these both, then it will come, children. Or else no need, children, because they are similar triangles, no? Directly it will come, children. Direct, no, won't come, children. Okay, this second one proof is over, children. Second proof is over till now. Second proof is over. Now third proof, children, same proof, children. Third proof is also same. Ditto, children, but we have to consider these both triangles. Who will tell, children, this one?
Second.
Tell Rakesh.
Angle A is equals to angle F.
Angle A is equal to angle F because given. Okay, similar triangles. Next.
Angle C is equals to angle G.
Given.
So 2x equals to 2y, x equals to y.
X is equal to y by A.
By A is similar. ADC is similar to FH.
DCA. According to the question, DCA.
DCA is similar to HGF.
HGF. Okay, so these can some people will get doubt, sir. Can we write as AC is equal to FGH? Yes, we can write. No problem. Okay, tell me CBST.
CD by GH.
CD by GH
is equals to AC by FG.
Is equal to AC by FG.
Is equals to AD by FH.
Is equal to AD by FH.
We got first one also.
Okay, children. So CD by GH here also there. CD by GH is here also there, children. So CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. First answer we got. AC by FG. First answer we got. From here only we got CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. First answer we got. Like that. We have. Provision last three some small sums are there. Let us complete. Let me complete up. I hope everyone are copying, children. If you don't copy, it's waste. Whatever I'm teaching is waste. Please keep copying, children. Notes it. Time. 9th question, children. AX and DY are the altitudes of two similar triangles ABC and DEF. ABC, DEF. They both are similar triangles. C1 is it, children. And AX and DY are the altitudes of two similar triangles. One second. AX and DY are the altitudes of two similar triangles, ABC and DEF. Prove that children AX and DY are altitudes with each other. Means it will go like this. AX, DY. Altitude means always 90 degrees. You have to take that. So altitude means 90 degrees. Okay, these are altitudes. Altitude means what, children? They will be 90 degrees. Altitude means height, perpendicular. Okay, we have to prove that AX is to DY is equal to AB is to DB. Means indirectly is asking to prove that AX by DY is equal to AB by DB is asking us to prove, children. That's all. Very, very easy. I will change the question like this, children, so that you will be comfortable. This is AX and this is DY, children. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. They are similar triangles. They are similar triangles. So, children, we want the ratio between AX and DY, AB and DE. Where is AB and DE? AB and DE. Okay, let's take the small triangles. Let's take the small triangles. Okay, in ABX and DEY, if you see, children, angle X is equal to angle Y. Why, children?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Angle B is equal to angle E. Why, children?
Given similar triangle.
Given they are similar. By AA similarity. What we can say, children, by AA similarity?
AX
Similar to DEY.
Similar to DEY. By CPSP. By CPSP.
AB by DE is equal. AX by
AB
DY
by DE is equal to AB by DE is equal to BX by DY, which is needed or not needed,
Not needed.
is equal to AX by DY.
DY.
Oh, children, hence proof. That's all. The one more side is not needed. According to the question, we will check. Hope you all understood this one, children. Okay, children, 10th one is very, very easy, children. Already we have discussed so many times, children. Construct a triangle similar to the given triangle with 5 by 3 times. Children, we have to draw, construct 5 by 3 times. Of course, triangle is not there for you. Just remember, children, we have to construct a acute angle among
Acute
5 and 3. Among 5 and 3, which is the biggest number? 5.
Five.
So construct 5 equal ratios, 4, 5. Always denominator to tip. Always denominator to tip. And extend this. Draw a parallel line from numerator. So here you get parallel line. Again, extend this. After extend this, again draw parallel to this line. You get this line, children. So this triangle is 5/3 of this triangle. This is A dash C dash. So A dash C dash B is 5/3 of ABC. Okay, children. So what are the conditions, children? Bigger number, we should take number of sides. Denominator touch to the tip. Denominator touch to the tip. Numerator is a parallel line. Again, I'm saying among this both, bigger numbers is number of arcs. Denominator to the tip. Numerator is a parallel line. No, sir, we didn't understand this. One more sum I will do for you, children. One more sum I will see here. 11th question. Construct a triangle two-third of the triangle is children. Two-third, which is the big number?
3 points.
So divide into 3 equal arcs. Denominator to the tip. Numerator is for parallel line. Again, for this you draw parallel line. This is the required triangle. This triangle is two-thirds of the original triangle. This triangle is two-thirds of the original triangle. Okay, children. Next one. 1 by 2 times. 1 by 2 times means how many times, children?
3 by
2. Okay. In 3 by 2, which is the bigger number?
3.
1, 2, 3. Denominator to the tip. Denominator to the tip. Extend this line. From numerator, drop a parallel. Okay. And for this also, please extend compulsory and drop a parallel. This is the required triangle. This is 3 by 2 times the original triangle. 3 by 2. Justification is very, very important. This and this are parallel. So this is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. Children, 3 by 5. This and this are parallel by construction. This is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. This is 3 by 5. So whole triangle is 3 by 5. Or big triangle is 5 by 3 times. Small triangle is 3 by 5 times. This big triangle is 5 by 3 times. Simple. So children, construction, always 3 steps you have to remember. Bigger number among the fraction is for number of arcs. Denominator is for the tip. Numerator is for parallel line. Bigger number is for the arcs. Denominator for the tip. Numerator is for the parallel line. Last time, bigger number for the arcs. Denominator for the tip. Numerator for the parallel line. Like that we should do.